Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I just came across this article. It's stating that a man got trapped in his Cybertruck while he crashed it and died. And his family wanted to sue Tesla for $1 million, claiming that that it's defective and that this is not like a single case. So. But if you own a Tesla, whether it's a Cybertruck or a Model Y, Model 3, Tesla or any cars, they also have like a safety release for you to, just in case there's out of power, right? But I guess this customer or this owner didn't pay attention to it. So if you do if he would have read the instruction of the manual or some of the video tutorials that Tesla now have in the Tesla, this wouldn't have happened. But if you do like a quick Google search, and you can see that there's the release is all over. So I have a Tesla Model Y. So right where you press the windows up and down, you just pull it up. Like in this case, this is specifically for the Cybertruck. So here is where you press when there's power, but when there's no power, you just lift this release lever right here and the door would open. So for the fact that sometimes I see this article, it makes me want to laugh and funny, because you bought a high-tech vehicle and you didn't pay attention to it, and now you blame it on Tesla for your negligence, right? So I don't know, what are your thoughts on this? Thank you for watching, guys. Be safe. Till next time.